Former champions St. George's College dismissed San Diego 4-0 in their second leg encounter in their Isaflo Manning Cup second round match today at the Constant Springfield. With a 5-0 aggregate win, St. George's advanced to the quarterfinal round of the competition.
Kudos to St. Charles today. I thought we played very well. I mean, we won an early start. As you can see, the first 5 minutes to get an open goal. I mean, congrats to Romara. I thought he have a good game today. Even his captain today filling in, Romara, Gargamel, Robertam. It was a good overall performance of the team today. You know what I mean? We have some little injuries in the team and flu, so we can recover by between now and tomorrow for Saturday's game. So, you know, we're going to have a recovery session for tomorrow and hopefully we can get stronger for Saturday.
Meanwhile, Holy Trinity made progress to the quarterfinal round as well after defeating Haile Selassie 4-2 on penalties. The teams are tied 2-2 on aggregate following Haile Selassie's 2-0 win in the first game, and Holy Trinity turning the tables this afternoon with a similar victory.
Complacency creep out our game now. Second half we show a bit of character, you know. I said that we'll be back, and you know, I respect all the team in my zone. We didn't play any mediocre team in our zone to be ranked number one. This two leg is more resemble a mediocre two leg, you know, and we make our job hard for us.
Well, elsewhere, Hydel and St. Catherine High ended 1-1 in their second leg game at Prisnoval. However, St. Catherine advanced to the quarterfinal round 3-1 on aggregate after a 2-0 win in their first leg match. And the quarterfinal round will kick off on Saturday with 4 matches. St. Andrew Technical will face St. Catherine High at 1 p.m, while St. George's will encounter Holy Trinity at 3 p.m. at the Constant Springfield. Other matches will feature Bridgeport High against the defending champions Jamaica College at 1 and Calabar facing off with arch rivals Kingston College at 3 at the Stadium East Field. Now, following Wednesday's completion of the return leg second round matches, the groupings for the quarterfinal round in the Isaflo da Costa Cup have not been decided. Group 1 will have 3 former champions, Clarendon College, St. James High and Garva Maceo, along with Spot Valley. Defending champions Cornwall College will play in Group 2 with Racines, St. Mary Technical and reigning Ben Francis Cup champions Lennon High. Group 3 comprised of Glenmuir, Stets, Little London and Home Technical, while Group 4 has Manchester High, Central, Frome and Dintle Technical. The quarterfinal round will be played on a round-robin basis starting on Saturday, with only the group winners advancing to the semi-finals.